gotta help your sister. Yeah, your
Hunter, come on.
Everything. You have to help more around the house, like putting things away. Okay? Give me 5. You'll get more. You know, you'll get more food. You like food, right?
Hunter, you wanna come out?
You get chocolates, right?
Hey, wanna play ball now?
Okay, we'll get the ball.
Where's the ball? Oh, it's here.
Father's Day. Today's June 19, 2011. Father's Day celebration at Tony's house. George, Tony's family, Jennifer's family, everybody's here, all the kids, the grandkids.
We're only so lucky that actually they're calling
She wanna get out, can she? Can she get out?
She needs shoes. Oh, it smells good out. Here we go. Sis. Her mom's getting her shoes.
Okay.
Got her? Wait. Wait, I need my shoes.
Guys, when you swing the bat, be careful that nobody else is around. I already threw it to you. Yeah, did y'all hear that? Probably weren't listening anyways.
I know what you want to play it, right?
Well, then stay away from the grill. Parker, do you want Hunter to throw the ball to you so you can hit it?
What's this?
Stand back. Put your bat down. You only do one thing at a time. Okay, get ready, Parker. Get ready to hit the ball. And do not release the handle. Okay.
Yeah, I was just looking up.
That's a lot of meat.
Parker can throw it. Parker can here and there. I'm not sure. No, I think he invented a different game. Parker, you want to throw it to Hunter? Okay. Slow. You don't stand back a little bit. Okay, good. Okay. That's good.
Go!
Okay.
My turn, I got it.
Parker.
Oh.
Here's more fun.
He's not the guy who hit the ball.
This stuff.
But he did it.
Yeah, when people are swinging the bat, you gotta stay away. Get a rope for him. Right.
Once he hangs on, once he bites on, he hangs on to it. It's silly.
Alright, you guys gotta wear mouth guards.
That's
I
nice
know what's
table
gonna
setup.
happen. Hey, this is what's gonna happen. They're both gonna go for the ball and swing. Boom.
Oh well.
I'm going to do something.
What are you going to do?
That's more fun for them, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Like hockey or lacrosse or whatever. It's kind of like combo.
Locker.
Don't eat it. No eat.
It's supposed to be running, right? This rain this afternoon?
Yeah.
Oh, go down to the basement. There's another bat.
I'll go get a bat. Will you watch Brent? I'll go get the bat.
The purple bat is Claire's.
Oh, okay, get Claire out here.
Who wants the other bat?
That's not cool.
I mean, get Claire out here so we can watch the kids.
Favorite bat. The Lego, because the Lego is my favorite.
Oh, woo.
That Lego bat. But I want it. I wanted to.
Okay, time out, guys.
Take turns, okay?
Take turns. I think
He's going to have to be the slow.
you got a bat that looks like this. Down.
But it's just going inside.
No, everybody stay out.
You can try it. Sharon, let me do it for a little bit. Hey, Hunter and Lynn.
He could do that one.
No, listen to me.
And Papa could show his.
Wait.
It's too
He
heavy.
wants to share this one for 5 minutes. You played this for a long time. He'll share it to you. This is his bat, actually. This is
Let's
actually
share. Let's share. Everybody
Let you
share.
play it. Just for a little while. Can I have it back? Ask him. Can I have it back after a while? Ask him.
Can I have it back?
Afterward? Yeah, later.
Later.
Okay.
Say thank you.
Hey,
Colton.
Colton.
Say thank you. Say thank you.
That was so. That's really big.
Very good.
That's really big.
I like that. I like that. Yeah, I'm happy. Very good boy.
Okay.
Nice big guy. Oh, you. Whoo. You break my bone. Are you breaking my bone? Oh, woo.
You know he has a one cool, like this is a hair for his eyebrow. It's like Gong had this too, extra one long one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like Gong.
Hey, there's another bat.
I mean, you know, my.
Uh-uh.
Well, you probably have.
Cool.
What do you think?